In this video, I am going to show you how to allow people to follow you on the reddit.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on your username that you can find here in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on user settings. Click on profile at the top. Scroll down until you find this advanced settings section, and here the first option is allow people to follow you. So followers will be notified about your posts and see them in their home feed. So tap on this button next to it in order to turn on this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.